Hi you guys, good morning. It is Saturday morning, and in Israel, how you celebrate Saturday morning? You actually celebrate Saturday morning in a way. So you usually have like a brunch sort of a thing, and then you go to the beach. That's what Israelis do, as long as it's hot outside. Israelis in Israel do not get Sunday off. So Sunday is like Monday basically. So they try to utilize and value their Saturday. They sleep in, they have breakfast, and they go to the beach. So that's the plan for today. So my mommy was really sweet, and she decided to make a fancy breakfast. My mom doesn't know how to do things on the light side. Like, you tell her to make a breakfast for like 8 people and she makes a freaking feast that's so ridiculous that can feed like 20 or 30 people, and she's just insane. Like, I just keep asking her why she made so much food. It's really not necessary, but that's just who she is. My grandma was the same way. Oh well. Anyways, so I'm really excited. She decided to organize a cute little breakfast with our like really close my really close childhood family friends. Let me see if I said that correctly. My closest, basically it's a family that I've known since the day I was born. They have a kid who's my age. Our moms got pregnant together, and then they had our brothers together, and we've known them seriously since the age of 0. Like, we grew up together. All my favorite childhood memories and crazy stuff come from this family. So I've known them for a bajillion years, like over 30 years. And I'm super excited. My mom invited them to have breakfast with us. So I'll show you guys what my mom made, and I'll film a little bit while they're here, and then I'll take you to the beach. I'm planning on going to the beach with my sisters, although one might not come. We'll see what happens. Yeah, so let me take you behind the scenes. I'm currently on my mom's house on the balcony. She just moved to a new place, not just like a year ago, but for me it's just because I haven't seen this apartment. So she really likes the color purple, as you can tell. Soon there'll be people here. There shall be people here. This is her little garden. Little park downstairs, all these skyscrapers. They're always building in Israel, as it is fairly a new country, and yet it is not. Anyways, yes, so this is a table. I love this little hangout spot over here that she's got going. Let's go inside, see what's up. Hope my family doesn't embarrass me. All the sandwiches that my mom made are here. These are definitely not for me. I literally said earlier that you couldn't pay me $500 to eat this, because a salad that is sweet and all this, it just doesn't work for me. I hate parsley. I don't like sweet salads. There's other things in here. There's raisins that I don't like. Not my kind of salad. We have hummus, eggs, Israeli salad. That's definitely for me. Caprese salad, corn salad. And then there's more things cooking over here. And she has another oven outside with more things. Sis taking selfies in the bed with the dogs. Ooh, ooh, ooh. She loves it. She's pretending she just woke up. She's been awake for 3 hours. She just hates being on camera.
I just woke up.
What happened?
I don't want you to film me. I'm not pretending anything.
Ooh! Look at that girl! Ooh! Done, I'm done. Are you gonna go with us to the beach? What? The one eyeballed sister. Hookums! Likey, pinky. Why are you doing that?
I don't want you to film me.
But you love being on your little Instagram and Insta story. She's so cute. Stop it, Willis. תראי מה יש לך פה.
אבל זה לא אומר כלום על מישהו.
Are you doing a video?
I am doing a video. Wait, hold on. Yay! Shlomi, say hi.
Hi.
באמת? האמת שצודקת, כמה זמן אני רואה?
לא, ראיתי אותך פעם אחת אחרי.
אף פעם לא ביקשו ממני להביא
He's one of my favorite humans of life. Oh, that's the Caleb. Oh my god, how cute. I just noticed. Hey! Hey! Okay, I'll try to explain this. Okay, Israeli salad. This is Jachnun, very popular. I think it's a Yemen dish. It's kind of sweet. I don't really know how to explain it. It's sweet, but it's not. But it's more sweet than not. What else do we have here? I don't know. I think this is like kind of a sweet potato omelet. This is shakshuka, eggs with tomato sauce. Yeah. I don't really know the names for the rest of these things.
זה בית מקש, זה בונגלו, זה מול הים, תורת הים, מהיתר, זה הבונגלו, יש בפנים וזמונים.
Can. And then we eat and dine and talk. I felt bad filming this full on because people are eating and nobody wants to be filmed eating, but it was a good time.
זה בסדר לך נפת פעמיות?
This is me and this is Shlomi. So this is us now. Shlomi, say hi. Hi. Childhood friends since we were little. We just found the evidence. That would be me in the overalls. Hold on. That's me. That's him. Wild.
My teeth is yellow.
No. Okay, you guys have found more evidence. More evidence. Me. Show me. His little sisterly tongue. Show me, look.
Lital. This is me? No,
That's
it's not
me.
me. This is me.
Yeah. Best friends forever.
לא, מישהו אמר לי, תעשו בבית.
There's me and Shlomi in our teenage years. His bar mitzvah.
רואה לי את הקיר הזה של הקיר של ניסן.
A fun secret between you and me, I used to chase Shlomi when I was little and force him to kiss me, but he would run away. And yeah, this is how Israelis spend their Saturday mornings with family and close friends, eating, dining, laughing, nostalgic moments. I hope you enjoyed this video and got to know me a little bit better. This was a kind of a personal video. It's in my house, in my family's house. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an inside scoop at what my family and traditions look like in Israel. I hope you enjoyed it. I love you guys. Stay tuned for more.